Crazy engineering.
Get to the chopper.
I love that.
This is proper. That's clapped.
Wow.
We're making it unclapped. We're unclapping it. How many kilometers does it have?
160,000.
And second two owner?
I don't know. Probably like
owners?
25 owners, yeah.
Okay. 100. And we're putting like an unknown kilometers engine.
Unknown, definitely unknown. That's for sure.
I mean, the car had a welded diff and it's polished and rusty, so...
Did I send you the picture of it?
No.
Yeah, like,
There's nothing left.
this is me jacking up on the lift.
Did you put it on the lift?
I put it on the lift, yeah, because I went underneath it.
What's the courage? And you went underneath it?
Yeah, that's like Titanic.
Imagine the car like...
Chassis rails completely missing. Sorry.
I can't wait for tomorrow.
How bad do you think the engine's gonna be? I mean...
It's fine.
No, the engine's fine.
It's BMW.
Is that supposed to make me feel better?
What's up?
Are you ready?
540. Non-conventional diesel oil for your E36.
Perfect. What do you think of the best car ever? Is gonna get even better?
Are we putting EJ to 35 in here or what? Or we're not talking about this car?
No.
Anyway, the purpose of this video fragment is that we're doing an intro because this is going to be a video without me in it, or at least now, because Gio and Lapo are going to Ross to do some crazy engineering engine swap-a-roo of the E36, and unfortunately I have too much things to do, such as preparing videos, thumbnails, preparing for 24-hour race, maybe go on a sim a bit if I have time, and get some dinner. So yeah, good luck guys.
Yeah,
I trust in you.
Hopefully it's gonna be straightforward.
I have two left hands anyway, I cannot contribute, and Gio can hold the camera as well, so...
Yeah.
Straightforward swap.
Yeah, don't get killed. Like, don't drop engine on yourself or something. No?
Someone's getting married, but the more important thing is A36.
It's getting married with an M44.
Hell yeah. Oh, I see weapons. We are so back.
Hello.
Hello. Oh yes. Oh, it's happening. We are so back.
There's no going back.
You can run manual, no power steering.
Whoa. What do you mean no power steering, no AC?
Oh, that's the race car.
The usual little Gen Z arms. We can, little job for Gio, tighten up the engine mount arm on the other engine.
So I just snapped a bolt. Here it is.
Oh, Gio.
I tried to help.
I'm breaking.
How does it feel to work on the greatest engine ever?
Look at what your boy did. The one behind the camera.
My little Gen Z arms.
The only thing he did.
I have just seen it's cracked all the way around it.
Oh, nice. Very nice. So, if there's an exhaust company, you can send us what's a sponsor.
I think it's the first time he's working in a proper car.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Why are you talking and not working?
Yeah, Pablo. You're like in medieval times, they had that jester guy.
Yeah. Be careful with the car. Be gentle with A36. Don't break any bolts.
I'm not breaking. Don't break my bolt. Oh.
What was that noise?
Because I don't want to break it, dude. You want to do it? Stop. That's cool.
Oh yeah, exhaust is off, mate. Normally E36 has a bracket here, but this one doesn't, so...
Lapo's face was a bracket.
Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Look at the arm.
No! This feels like Fast and Furious. But it's not fast.
It's not furious.
And it's not furious. Lapo is furious because he had an exhaust on his face.
Yeah, look there.
Can you see it?
Ooh.
This is what I do for you.
Dude, thank you so much. Oh yeah, every mechanic's dinner. Oil and bread. It looks so nice on the lift. I feel like the car was made to be broken.
You need to wash your hands.
Oh.
Now's the time.
E36P. Whoa. Why are you cutting?
Brake lines.
Oh no! Are you eating with gasoline on your hands?
Yes.
I wiped it with a towel.
No. Oh. Fixed. Wi-Fi exhaust.
Yeah. Bluetooth, baby.
Guardian Leviosa. Now we are taking the soul from inside.
We are taking out the second most iconic engine to put the first most iconic engine.
Can you get me that, the red trim tool?
I'm helping.
We can stand it outside for now, yeah? Don't scratch the house.
On a scale from like 1 to 10, what would you rate the E36?
To be honest, it's not that bad. The chassis has potential because it has no rust.
Shame about the owner.
Whoa! Whoa!
Put up like a K20 in it.
Dude, we have the most iconic engine here.
We'll put ITBs on it. Like
Oh, he said it. Oh!
Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah. Fastest M44 on the ring. There you go.
Chopper!
It is done.
We are so back. Old engine is out. Now it's time to put the greatest engine ever in the car.
It's not, it's time to fix your...
Yeah.
The only thing he did is breaking a bolt. Is it in? Ooh. Gio. You little that. We're so back.
We are so back. What do you think? How is the shop going so far?
As always, with these jobs, longer than I expected.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
For you. I love it.
Does it get any better on this? The boys building a race car at 11 p.m. Give us an update.
An update. After an hour of battling the broken bolt that he did, we're ready to put the engine back in.
Engine.
Are you pumping?
Hard.
Should have kept the new windscreen.
There you go.
Oh, it's in. Oof.
Oh dear. Easy swap.
We are so back.
Drop it in. There you go.
Oh ho ho.
He's seated on the mouse, Chris. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Yeah, it's enough.
Oh. Oh.
It's in.
Let's go on.
It's in. Now it has
Let's go.
10 horsepower more.
Probably. That's not even a joke.
Why does it look this, the engine that needs to come out? I'm a bit tired, to be honest.
This whole swap is like you guys saying, hopefully this will work.
We never said it would work. We said we're going to swap the engine.
Yeah.
Can pop it up for you.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Whoa, we are so back.
Yeah.
So, what is happening to my exhaust now?
Nothing at the minute, because we've got bigger things to worry about.
Oh, the rest of the car?
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Oh, is it?
birthday, my boy. Happy birthday, Gio.
Thank you very much.
Good. Stop putting your hand in weird places.
Whoa. Give us an update.
Engine's in. We need to figure out what's happening with the AC pump. Then we just need to hook everything up and start it.
What are the chances of it running?
Pretty high. Should be cool. Then we need to weld up the exhaust back on. It's gonna snap off.
Dude.
That is good.
We're done for the day. How did the swap go? What do you think?
I think pretty nicely for now.
For now? What do you mean for now?
Hopefully. Hopefully it's gonna stay there. That we don't have to take it out.
Day 3 of the swap.
Starting now.
Car is almost done. How do you feel about this swap?
It's hard to believe. Oh, look at it! Look at the beast! Look at the tires. The tires are really tired. I don't know. I cannot wait. I should have done a lap before, the before and after.
We have a lap that was 15 minutes long.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it. Are we doing the guillotine thingy? Flat side,
ITBs.
like.
Yeah, 2.5K. That's sick, isn't it?
No, I'm gonna make them.
Even better.
Gio's gonna be working for free for 5 months.
Whoa. back to the workshop. The beast and the... What engine is in that?
What?
This one.
328.
328?
Inferior engine.
Inferior.
Right?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Give us another update. What's happened?
Well, he
What's
has
happened?
to give us an update.
Yes.
So again, first the exhaust. Going to fix your cracked cap because
Okay.
cut it out and go from there. Hopefully.
It's already loose.
Yeah.
Emissions, baby.
I think we need to put an LSD here to like manage the power. I'm gonna weld your
Why? No?
Yeah, don't worry about
Where's
it.
my helmet?
What? I do worry about
Nah,
it.
it's fine. Spot weld it?
Just try whatever you want.
Okay. Well,
It's not my exhaust.
Whoa! What?
Hopefully it'll be alright.
No.
okay, I need to learn, dude.
I was just watching the sparks bounce really close to that bucket of fuel.
Is it good?
It's alright.
Well,
Is it okay?
It's on there now, it's not cracked anymore. Hopefully.
stop saying hopefully.
Hey, stop.
That is a disgusting angle of an exhaust pipe, isn't it?
It's fine. It's gonna stay here only for like.
No, it's not fine. What? What do you mean it's
It's
fine?
gonna stay here like for a couple of months.
No, it's welding the diff, yeah, let's do it.
No.
I mean, Lapo's learned to weld now.
How much power is it gonna be making?
13 instead of 12.
Not
Around-
as much as a 6-cylinder.
Well, from some, well,
Whoa, whoa.
how much was it from factory? 140?
140.
So
With
now-
a map and no mods, they make 160. Throttle bodies should see like 210 with the map. Stop block, yeah, I wouldn't bother doing the block. And then you could like stroker it and stroker it to a 2 litre. And then see, I don't know, 240, 250.
Really?
Stroke it to a 2 litre. Throttle bodies.
I would, instead of stroking it,
Whoa.
wind up the bore and do like a high revving one.
Then it's pretty much like an E30 M3.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty much the same thing. People are gonna roast us in the comments. For now, let's make it run first and then
Yes.
probably it needs a rebuild.
We are so back.
So cut back.
What are your plans?
Because it's almost mid-mounted. If we cut the firewall, if we massage the firewall a little bit, we can move it like a little bit back and have a mid-mounted, mid-front engined E36.
Fresh bolts from the bag.
Oh, it's the nylon one, which is gonna.
That'll be alright.
Which is gonna what?
Nothing.
Finish your
Okay.
sentence.
Well,
What?
Okay,
It's gonna what?
nothing.
Gonna hold the exhaust together.
Yeah.
Deep breath, deep breath. Should have got 6-cylinder.
No! Dude.
No, it's gonna be fine. Hopefully. Do you have sand inside here?
Yeah.
Dude! Stop.
Oh, there's like 10 mil. It's like national treasure.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Can we put some techno?
Now we're gonna get copyrighted.
Connecting the brain. Ready?
Oh.
Now she's.
No, all the pins are like.
Oh, if you want, I'll do all the wiring.
Yeah, you do wiring.
You can finish the AC pump.
Do I?
What's happening? What, did I hear no AC?
No, you've got AC.
Okay.
Let's get the.
Firebar.
Yeah.
Whoa. No!
It's a tool of wonders.
Now you don't have AC. And I've got a new hairstyle.
What the
Follow the point. Looks like the underside of Bart Simpson's bed sheets now. Oh, there you go. The AC pump's gone. So yeah, now your AC's. So all that work
You're welcome.
to put it all on.
So we deleted the AC. We actually
Very carefully deleted
we
the
went
AC.
to a shop to get it depressurized, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and keep
Local shop.
the gas
Right,
in a good
true.
container.
Yeah, we went to.
Yeah, we reuse the gas
It's bad for emissions, for the health of the earth.
for the people.
So are we taking out the AC completely?
Weight reduction, more power, baby.
Oh, look at all the space.
That was the quickest AC delete ever.
Yeah.
what you should never do is get this stuff here directly on your skin. It's really bad.
Look at how much room you have now to do activities.
What?
Okay.
What are we missing?
A bolt.
Many things, but in this case, that wall. It's because lightweight.
Yeah, sure, buddy. It's all good. Ah, yeah, makes sense.
Background there.
Yeah,
like that.
this makes sense.
We can lift it up, do that earth lead, the cable for the gearbox,
The ground.
the ground, yeah, and then I'm going to go and wash my hands and sit in the car and do the wiring.
And then?
Battery on, coil pack on, start it up.
Off. The hood is back on. There's some hacking going on. What's the plan?
I don't know yet. A couple of games of solitaire and then
Did you hack into the police ECU?
not yet.
Engine's back in. Car is almost running.
Well, it's not almost. It's not running.
It's almost. It's about to run, maybe
Maybe tomorrow.
with a tune.
160 horsepower. 160, probably like 120, but.
We're gonna let Hackerman do his thing.
Nice.
Let's go to sleep and continue tomorrow.
Yeah, so you need to go get the ECU in Frankfurt.
This is mega, mate.
Whoa!
Pretty much plug and play now.
I just had KFC for the first time in my life and it was horrible.